To install and use dual Snapchat accounts on Android, you will need to use a third-party app. The first step is to download and install an app called Parallel Space from the Google Play Store. This app allows you to clone existing apps and use them with different accounts. Once you have installed Parallel Space, open the app and grant the necessary permissions. You will then see a list of installed apps on your device. Find Snapchat in the list and select it. Parallel Space will then create a clone of Snapchat. After the clone has been created, you can open the cloned Snapchat app and log in with your second Snapchat account. If you do not have a second Snapchat account, you can create one by tapping on Sign Up. To use the cloned Snapchat app, you can find it in the Parallel Space app or add a shortcut to your home screen. When you open the cloned app, you will be logged in with your second Snapchat account. You can use this account separately from your main Snapchat account. It is essential to note that using dual Snapchat accounts may be against Snapchat's terms of service. Be sure to review Snapchat's policies before using dual accounts. Additionally, keep in mind that Parallel Space may collect data on your app usage. So be sure to review the app's privacy policy as well. To manage your dual Snapchat accounts effectively, make sure to keep your accounts separate and do not overlap your usage. You can use one account for personal use and the other for business or professional use. By following these steps, you can successfully install and use dual Snapchat accounts on your Android device.